Okay, let's start. First question. Eric Garcia, Tonic Radio. Vous êtes resté souvent 10 points derrière l'Asvel, avec pas de possibilité de revenir au score. Un mot sur cette situation de jeu et le fait que vous n'ayez pas réussi à revenir et passer devant l'Asvel. Pourquoi?
What can you tell us about just playing that way and that situation throughout the game?
Ondan sonra geri dönmeye çalıştınız ama başaramadınız. Ne düşünüyorsunuz bununla ilgili?
Bence bugün çok basit hatalarla skoru belirledik. Oyunun tam geldiği noktada oyuncuların yaptığı çok küçük box out hataları, close out hataları oyunu etkiledi. Kazanabileceğimiz bir maçtı. Aslında skor oynanan basketbolu yansıtmıyor. Basit hataları yapmasaydık oyuna ortak olacaktık. Biraz daha ofenste kontrollü olup bu basit defans hatalarını yapmamamız lazım.
We lost because of two simple mistakes. We tried to come back. We could that easy, but we had very little basketball mistakes like box out, like close out. Okay, it looks like 14 points difference there, but I think it doesn't show to real game. If we be much better on the offense about the details, about our system, and if we don't lose our control, I hope we will be much better. We lost because of the little simple detail mistakes.
S'ils ont perdu, c'est à cause d'erreurs plutôt simples. Ils ont essayé de revenir, mais ils ont trop souvent fait des erreurs. Ils ont perdu de 14 points, mais il faut que leur attaque soit bien meilleure. Mais voilà, il pense qu'il a de l'espoir si jamais ils arrivent à mieux se contrôler, mais ce soir, c'était vraiment des erreurs simples.
Un mot sur l'absence de McKissick et Daryl Monroe. Est-ce qu'ils vous ont beaucoup manqué ce soir?
Did you miss your two injured players a lot tonight?
Can you say again?
Your two injured players tonight, did you miss them a lot?
Did you miss Daryl and McKissick? Daryl'la McKissick'i hissettiniz mi?
Uzun zamandır tam kadro oynamıyoruz. 5-6 haftadır bir 10 maçlık periyotta 3 oyuncu eksiğiyle oynuyoruz. Takımın bunlara adapte olması lazım. Yani onların eksiğinin arkasına sığınamayız. Bizim için önemli oyuncular ama McKissick için olmaması ya da diğerlerinin olmaması mağlubiyetin bir faktörü değil. Mevcut oyuncularla da maçı kazanabilirdik. McKissick umarım hafta sonu Galatasaray maçında takıma dahil olacak.
We have injury problems for the like 6-7 weeks. We played 12 games in these 6 weeks. For sure, the Daryl and Shaq, if they will be with us, it will be much better. But we cannot say that that's the reason to lose. I hope so. Shaq will join us in the weekend game against Galatasaray.
Ça fait plusieurs semaines qu'ils ont des problèmes avec les blessures. C'est sûr que quand ils seront de retour, ça ira mieux, mais c'est pas une raison pour perdre. Et il espère qu'au moins l'un d'entre eux sera de retour pour le match contre Galatasaray ce week-end.
Un mot sur cette équipe de l'Asvel. Est-ce que vous pensez qu'elle est formatée pour aller loin dans cette compétition?
Can you tell us a little bit what you think about Asvel? Do you think they've got what it takes to go far in this competition?
Asfer'le ilgili düşünüyorsunuz diyor. Şampiyonlar Ligi'nin geleceğiyle ilgili ne düşünüyorsunuz kendi adınızda?
Asvel Open Court'ta iyi oynayan bir takım. Çok atletik oyuncuları var. Bence yukarıyı zorlayabilecek bir ekip. Çünkü güçlü bir organizasyonu var. Başarıyı getiren faktör sadece iyi basketbol oynamak değil, organizasyon. Gördüğüm kadarıyla da köklü ve yerleşmiş bir organizasyon. Güzel bir basketbol ortamıydı. Başarılar diliyorum.
Asvel is a very good fast break team. They have very athletic players, and in this group they are in a good situation now. I think that they can go to the high levels in the Champions League, maybe like the Final Fours. And except basketball, I can say that there is a very good organization here, as gym, as the management side, and that helps to being more successful too. Like playing good basketball is not enough to be on the high levels. This kind of organizations will help us well more, be sure.
Il me pense que c'est une très bonne équipe de contre-attaque. Il pense vraiment qu'elle a un haut niveau et qu'elle peut aller loin dans cette compétition, peut-être le Final Four. Mais en plus, pas seulement sur le terrain, mais il pense que c'est un beau business, une belle entreprise avec du bon management. Et il pense que cet aspect-là, ça aide à avoir plus de succès sur le terrain.
İki tarafın seyircisi de bence gayet centilmence takımlarını destekledi. Hem bizim açımızdan gurbetçilerimizin yanımızda olması çok güzeldi, özeldi. Türk bayrağını görmek çok güzeldi. Onlara da umarım iyi bir basketbol izletmişizdir. Onların geldiği maçta kazanmak isterdik. Artık onları Uşak'taki galibiyet sözüyle teselli edelim ya da teşekkür edelim. Seyirciler gayet keyifliydi.
He asked for what you think about the fans for the Asvel side and the Turkish side, and coach answered that both of sides were good. They just supported their teams. I'm very happy to see my citizens in the gym and my flag too. I hope they watch a good basketball, but we want to watch them to a winning. We're sorry about that. Maybe it will be in the Uşak game.
Donc la question qui était posée, c'était à propos des fans des deux équipes, parce qu'il y avait aussi des supporters turcs ce soir. Et donc il a répondu qu'il était content d'avoir des fans des deux équipes, que les fans étaient bons, ils supportaient leur équipe. Il était heureux de voir des citoyens de son pays dans la salle. Il s'excuse auprès d'eux, parce qu'il aurait préféré que les fans voient son équipe gagner. Et, ils vont essayer de faire mieux la prochaine fois.
Congrats to Asvel. They play a good game. They have a good team, but we are frustrated, of course, because we are a much better team than we are playing right now. At least last month or something. But for sure, we will get better. We're gonna play much better basketball. And McKissick will come back, so we're gonna be even better team. So we just need to find our rhythm, and we are good. Just at this moment, you know, we are a little bit off the road. We are a little bit in the wood, you know, but we're gonna get back for sure because we have a very good coach, very good coaching. We have good players, city supporters, so we're gonna be better.
Donc pour commencer, il félicite l'Asvel. Ils ont joué un bon match, c'est une bonne équipe. Il pense que son équipe est bien meilleure que la manière dont il joue actuellement. Après, une fois que les joueurs blessés seront de retour, ça ira mieux. Ils ont besoin de trouver leur rythme. En ce moment, ils ne sont pas dans une bonne situation, mais il est confiant que ça ira mieux, parce qu'ils ont un bon coach, de bons joueurs, et voilà, ça devrait aller mieux à l'avenir. From the stands, we felt some tension on the court. Was it the case?
Tension, what? I don't understand.
La tension, vous voulez dire between the players, between the two teams?
Oh no, it's just a game. It's nothing. No, it's just emotions. It's normal. It's supposed to be like this, you know. Everybody wants to win and everybody wants to play good. So no, it's nothing. It's nothing.
Non, c'était juste le match. Voilà, tout le monde veut gagner. Et ça devrait toujours être comme ça, mais il n'y avait pas de tension particulière.
Thank you.
Ah, dites-le en français et je le répète. It was close to the end tonight, but most important was to win.
It wasn't. Yeah, it wasn't that close. Okay. It wasn't a really close game. I think we made it close. Turned the ball over a number of times unnecessarily. But we were hitting our shots against a matchup zone, and that's the most important. So we're happy with our win.
C'était pas si serré. On l'a rendu serré. On a perdu trop de ballons. Mais après, on a marqué nos tirs extérieurs contre une zone match-up. Donc voilà.
Quelles étaient les clés de la rencontre ce soir, JD? Walter Hodge, scoreur à 24 points, c'était une des clés.
What were the keys of the game tonight? Was Walter Hodge scoring one of them?
Walter was hitting the outside shot, as I said before. It's important against the matchup zone. I think, again, DeMarcus was a key creator like he was against Dijon, DeMarcus Nelson. We don't have many rotations, so these two players are very important. Dealing with the pressure defensively and being able to create and score. USAC is in the same situation with their two American guards. And I think obviously we won that battle tonight. So congratulations to both of them.
Walter a marqué ses tirs ce soir, comme il l'a dit, et c'était très important contre une zone match-up. DeMarcus Nelson aussi était très important. Il a été créateur comme il l'a été contre Dijon. Après, l'équipe n'avait pas beaucoup de rotation, donc c'est vraiment des joueurs clés qui peuvent marquer, mais aussi créer du jeu. USA qui sont dans la même situation que l'Asvel avec deux extérieurs américains, mais on peut dire que ce soir, on a gagné cette bataille.
5 victoires avec 5 matchs à venir à domicile. Vous êtes dans une situation assez confortable dans cette compétition.
JD, 5 wins with 5 home games coming up, so can we say you're in a good situation?
We are, as far as the future qualification. Some of the teams that were close to us lost tonight. And this is the moment with these home games. We have to win these home games and create a distance between the other teams looking to be in the top 2 spots. Neptunus, they're going to come here. They won just by 3 points tonight, so the others are going to do what they're going to do, but we can control our future, and winning at home is essential in the European Cup. So yeah, tonight we've done a good job. There will be other games where we're in the same situation in December.
On est dans une bonne situation quant à la future qualification. Les équipes qui étaient proches de nous ont perdu ce soir. Donc là, on doit vraiment se servir de ces matchs à venir à domicile pour créer de l'écart avec ces équipes, pour surtout assurer une place dans les 2 premières places du groupe. Neptunas, ils vont venir ici. Ce soir, ils ont gagné que 3 points. Et voilà, on aura encore beaucoup de matchs dans des situations similaires. were you afraid that your team might break down when there were a few situations, a few calls in the third quarter?
No, I think we have a lot of character, and you know, they were playing hard, maybe limit of playing dirty, and we seemed to be the team that was punished. I don't think the referees saw everything clearly, but we the most important was to keep our be cold-blooded, keep our heads, and do the job, and that's what we did. I'm more and more confident that we're able to do that, as we did in overtime against Dijon. It's a good sign.
Il pense que l'équipe a montré beaucoup de caractère ce soir. L'équipe USAC est en train de jouer de manière dure, presque à la limite du sale. Mais il avait l'impression que c'était l'Asvel qui était puni pour ça. Après, dans ce moment-là, il fallait faire preuve de sang-froid et garder la tête sur les épaules. Et c'est ce qu'ils ont fait. Et il est de plus en plus confiant que l'équipe peut jouer ainsi comme en prolongation contre Dijon. Donc ouais, il est vraiment confiant sur cet aspect.
Je veux juste souhaiter le bon anniversaire à notre traducteur qui a 20 ans aujourd'hui. Happy birthday to the translator.
Merci.
Mic check, mic check.
What's your reaction after this good win and a great performance from you?
I feel great. I think the big guys did a great job today, helping us, the guards on the screens, and I think that was the key for the game today. We played great team defense, and we rebound very well. So that was the key for the game.
Il se sent très bien. Ses coéquipiers l'ont vraiment aidé, notamment dans le jeu d'écran. Et voilà, l'équipe a très bien défendu tout le match et s'est très bien débrouillée dans le secteur du rebond. Did you feel you had a little bit of a personal revenge to take after your game against Dijon?
I mean, every game is different. You know, for Dijon, I was in foul trouble the whole game, so I couldn't really have a rhythm to play the whole game. I think I started very well against Dijon, picking up their defense. But at the end, I had foul troubles and I couldn't get my rhythm back. But you know, every game is different. I want to win every game, and you know, I have to do what I have to do.
Chaque match est différent. À Dijon, il avait des problèmes de faute qui l'ont empêché de jouer avec rythme. Au début, il a plutôt bien commencé. Mais voilà, c'est vrai qu'à la fin, il avait des problèmes de faute. Donc il n'a pas pu récupérer ce rythme à la fin de match. Mais voilà, chaque match est différent. Et lui, ce qu'il veut, c'est gagner tous les matchs.
Ils ont joué toutes les équipes là, de la poule. Qu'est-ce qu'ils pensent du niveau de la poule et est-ce qu'ils pensent que la première place est largement possible pour les autres?
So you guys played every team in the pool. What do you think about the level of this pool, and do you think you guys can aim first place?
Of course, it's a great talent in the pool. There's a lot of good teams. I think we let one slip against Varese. We will see them next week. And I think we should be number one right now. We're a great team. We're missing a couple pieces. When these guys come back, I think we will be scary.
Oui, évidemment, ils pensent qu'il y a beaucoup de talent dans cette poule. Après, ils ont laissé échapper un match à Varese qui rencontre la semaine prochaine. Mais ils pensent qu'on devrait être premier. Voilà, il nous manque des joueurs importants. Et quand tout le monde sera là, on va être une équipe qui va faire peur.
She's on Facebook.
So tonight you were more of a scorer than a passer. You scored 24. Was it something that you were forced to do because of the opposition, or something that was key in your matchup with the Lions?
No, I just got whatever was open. I hit I think 5 or 6 threes. I think I took all my open shots, and I was trying to drive to create for others, and I think I felt good, so I shoot the ball very well.
Il a juste pris ce qui lui était donné. Voilà, il a pris 5 ou 6 tirs à 3 points. Voilà, il a essayé d'aller au panier pour pouvoir créer du jeu pour ses coéquipiers. Et voilà, il a vraiment pris ce qui lui était donné. Il a marqué ses tirs ce soir. What's your ankle problem?
No, I drive today, and I got hit in the knee, and my foot went back, but nothing serious. Tomorrow I will go see the doctor to see if it's nothing serious, but I mean I feel good during the game, so I hope it's nothing bad.
Il allait au panier et son pied il s'est retourné en fait. Mais voilà, ils vont voir le docteur demain. Ils espèrent que c'est rien de grave, mais voilà, ils pensent que c'est rien de sérieux.
Merci beaucoup. Good night.
Goodbye, everybody.